Good morning. So today we are making sandwich. Excuse me.
जल गया
Sandwich
जल
और
गया
या ये
जल गया वो बत्ती सो गया
नहीं 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 रुक जा मैं
देख रहा है, देख कर दिया आई चॉट भाई चॉट
City girls make 'em wish like Ray J. Let me talk to 'em.
प्रोफेशनल हु मी चल दो ब्रेड अच्छा ब्रेड तो यही है ये बूंदी ले ली भाई व्हाट द फक
वही तो
हैप्पी दिवाली नाउ वील लुक फॉर द रिजल्ट्स इस ये तो तुम्हें लगता था कि सिर्फ मैं आधे दिमाग की हूँ मेरा भाई भी आधे दिमाग का है
भाई ये क्या हो रहा है ये क्या काला पानी कैसे निकल रहा है उसमें से
फॉलन
भाई तुम तो सेक्सी नहीं
ड्रीमिंग
भाई तुमसे अच्छा सैंडविच मेकर कोई है ही नहीं
एक होता है सैंडविच और एक होता है बवासीर सैंडविच
बवासीर तो
पता नहीं इसने इसमें बूंदी क्यों डाल दी भाई
भाई क्यों डाल दिया मतलब क्या
व्हाट द फक इज रॉन्ग विद यू अभी हम गोना मेक लौकी की सब्जी देयर वी आर सब्जी मैंने काट ली है और अब मैं सब्जी बनाने वाली हूँ लौकी की So I'm back. I'm actually back, and I finally took a shower. I told you guys I'm gonna take a shower, and I took a shower. अब मैं सेम कपड़े नहीं पहने हूँ. First मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं अपना स्किन केयर कर लूँ. क्यों ना मैं अपना स्किन केयर कर लूँ तो let's just start with the toner. I know it's a bit too much, but that's okay. See, I don't like promoting anything, but I would say कि Forest Essential का toner, I'm loving it so far. Because girls help girls. So I'll just tell you. मेरे को एक महीना वही use करते हुए and I'm liking it so far. अच्छा, Abhin also wanted to talk about something and I'll talk about it. It's so funny. It's so funny. I'm not okay. When I say something about this, I know men will feel offended who have fragile ego. Okay? So just listen to me. If your mom cooks in the kitchen and you don't help her out, I'm sorry, fuck you. Fuck you. Like she's in her 50s, 40s, or I don't know. I don't get this. Why are women responsible for all the cooking and cleaning? I know you guys will say कि सृष्टि you're just exaggerating it. ऐसा नहीं होता हमारे यहाँ तो my dad भी करते हैं. Bitch, I'm talking about the majority of the cases. I don't know, there's a lot of pressure on women. Like if she, for example, she cooks for you all the time and this one she did not feel like doing the work. You fucking idiot, you did not cook? Because you thought it's your wife's responsibility to cook for you? Who the fuck are you? I mean, you men need to understand that it's your wife or girlfriend, she's not your mom. And please, you're a grown-ass man and you cannot even take care of yourself and your wife. When I say be a man, I'm also talking about, taking care of your woman. Effort should be equal. She takes care of you, she cooks for you, you also take care of her, you also cook for her. But if you expect her to do all the work, and then at the end of the day you come back home and then you tell her, I actually work for this family. I actually earn for this family. Bitch, you fucked her once. Now she has a baby to take care of. You fucked her once, now she has a baby to take care of, and even the baby is a responsibility. Okay, again, wait. Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir, how to apply it? Take a small amount, massage, upwards, upstroke. ठीक है, we'll apply this. Yeah, so you expect her to take care of your children as well. You expect her to cook for your children as well. I mean, and then there's this one more thing. See, I am again not trying to generalize men. No, but there are cases like this, and I've seen them. I don't know. I often feel that this whole thing, the society and everything, they expect a lot from us. They really do. And now you'll say, Srishti, you're being such a feminist, toxic wali. Let me tell you, जब तेरा बाप तेरी माँ को मारता है, तब think about feminism. Okay? There's a reason why feminism should exist. Srishti, you're talking a lot. Srishti, why are you being so controversial, yaar? Just be funny and everything. No, I don't want to be funny today. I just want to talk about this. And meanwhile, I also massage my face. La 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 la. It goes both ways. I'm not just pointing out men. I'm also talking about women. Matlab, if in any relationship, I think if you expect or if you think that the other person is responsible for cooking and cleaning 24/7 or working, then I think that's a lot of pressure on the other person, and that's not fair. I mean, I often think that men, not all men, but some men, they expect a lot from women. They really do. She has to do the cooking, she has to do the cleaning, she has to take care of her babies, she has to feed the baby, and then again she has to feed the man as well. She has to cook for him. And it's really sad that some days when she does not feel like waking up, when she does not feel okay, this man, he would not wake up either. He would not take the responsibility in his hands and cook for his wife or children. And if you ever confront him about this, he would say, I earn for this family. Bitch, you need to understand she's your wife or she's your girlfriend, she's not your mom. And you're a grown ass man. If you're acting this way, then there's no difference between that 3-year-old kid or you. I'm not saying this just like that. Okay, yeah, nice men exist. There are men out there who are nice, who are gentle, who respect women, and then who take care of them, and who take the responsibility as well. I mean, yeah. But again, I'm not demeaning someone. I'm just saying how things are. I've seen things like that, and I hate it. We're applying this beauty elixir. I don't know if I'll get any. I don't know. Okay. Also, there's this thing. I don't know why. Why, for some reason, a man thinks. I mean, again, not all men, but again, a man thinks he has the authority to give his wife permission to work, to drink, to go out with her friends. Bitch, who the fuck are you? Prime Minister? And it's very weird. Like, before we get married, before women get married, their parents control her. Or I mean, okay, ठीक है, किसी के लिए different हो सकता है, but before they get married, their parents control them, and after they get married, their husband control them. Not in all cases. Again, I'm saying this. This does not apply to everyone, but in majority of the cases, this is how things are, and you have to understand that. It's really sad कि just for the sake of her family and for everyone, a woman literally tolerates a lot. She really does. She takes all the blame. She's ready to cook for you 24/7. She's ready to go through the verbal abuse as well. मतलब, she tolerates a lot. And I just feel very sad thinking about it. Yes, men are victim too. I'm not saying okay, this only applies to women. Men are victim too. But at the same time, I'm talking about the majority of the cases. And it's really sad that if you expect your mom to take care of you 24/7, like, you're a grown ass man, and if you really think कि तुम्हारी माँ तुम्हारे लिए cook करे breakfast, lunch, dinner, you're not a man then. I'm sorry. You're a grown ass man and you cannot help your mom cook. You cannot help your mom clean. I think this beauty elixir is absorbed in my skin. I was supposed to massage my face, but I talked a lot. I know I talked a lot. There are green flags. There are really many green flags. Wait, मेरा तोता नहीं दिख रहा यार, ये कहाँ गया? अच्छा, यही है, जिंदा है. Now we'll apply sunscreen. अच्छा, lately I've been using this. ठीक है, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कौन सा sunscreen, because कौन सा ही मेरे को पैसे दे रहा है. पर हाँ, मुझे गुस्सा आता है यार, मेरे को सोच के गुस्सा आता है, और मेरे को दुख भी होता है कि एक औरत कितना झेलती है. आदमी भी झेलता है. मैं इस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, ठीक है. मैं किसी का दुख कंपेयर नहीं कर रही. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि आदमी विक्टिम्स नहीं होते हैं, पर अभी दिस इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट टॉपिक, और मैं इस बारे में बोल रही हूँ. इट्स जस्ट हार्ट ब्रेकिंग टू सी कि एक औरत में इतना पोटेंशियल है, इतना सब है, बट स्टिल वो कई चीज़ें नहीं कर पाती बिकॉज हर हस्बैंड डज नॉट गिव हर दी परमिशन फॉर दैट, because this motherfucker thinks he has the authority to give permission to his wife. And it's really sad. So I've applied sunscreen, and after sunscreen I'll just apply some what? I think it's time for us to apply lip balm. Yeah, I'll apply lip balm. And one more thing, it's really funny how when men drink, when men smoke, it's fine. Okay. But when a woman does the same thing, she's called out for that. She's slut shamed for that. She's slut shamed for going to clubs, bars. I cannot let a man dictate my life for me. No one. Literally no one. तुम अगर तुम एक आदमी हो, तुम घर आते हो और तुम थोड़े से कपड़े धो देते हो महीने में एक बार, है ना, तुम अपनी पत्नी को गिनाते हो कि मैंने ये काम किया, सी आई डिड इट मदरफकर, वो रोज़ धोती है तेरे कपड़े. शी even washes your fucking underwear, you fucking idiot. And you do it once and you think you did something. No. Applying some lip balm. Yeah. Srishti, why are you so mean to men? I'm not mean to men. I'm just saying how it is. I'm just being honest, okay? And you know, if you talk to me, you'll realize I'm such a sweet and nice person. But I just cannot see things ऐसा. Fuck. फिर promotion कर दिया मैंने. अभी मेरे बाल बैठे हैं. तो let's wait for them to, you know, सूख जाने देते हैं. That's it. That was my skincare. And if you like watching it again, nice. If you did not like watching it, कोई बात नहीं यार. No worries.
I don't give a fuck what you think, bitch!
Srishti, stop being serious online. Stop talking about such things. It does not suit your personality. Fuck you. I'll talk about whatever I want to talk about. This is me being me.
Period. 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 Period.
I think I should just tie my hair. It's really sad how some men, they become violent. I mean, domestic abuse is very common, guys. We all know it's very common. They use their they slap her, they kick her, they do anything they want, and once you confront them, they'll say, "You made me do it. You made me do it. You made me feel so bad and shitty that I had to hit you, baby." And women, they are women. So easy to manipulate, so kind, so generous. Okay. She tries to forget everything and she moves ahead. Okay, this man will change. But trust me, he will never change. Never. Okay then, bye. That's it for today. I did my skincare and I feel nice and